Welcome to GIS 669, GIS for the Web. I'm Dr. Jay Park, and I will be your instructor this semester. This course explores how web technologies and geospatial tools come together to create dynamic, interactive mapping applications. Over the next several weeks, you will gain both conceptual understanding and hands-on experience in building web maps and using distributed GIS tools. Let's take a look at how the course is structured. This course is structured around the six major themes that we will explore over 14 weeks. We will move from foundational topics like how the web works and basic web cartography into hands-on skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript for interactive mapping, and platforms like ArcGIS Online, Mapbox, and Leaflet. We meet live on Zoom every Tuesday from 6 to 8 p.m., and each week you will also have assignment, discussions, and hands-on exercise to complete on your own schedule. These six modules, Introduction to Web Mapping, Web Map Design, Interactive Mapping, Spatial Data Visualization, Storytelling with Maps, and Emerging Trends, are designed to build both your technical skills and your ability to think critically about how maps communicate information. You will also work on a finer group project where you will design and publish your own web mapping site. The goal here is not just to teach you tools, but to help you become a confident, creative map maker who can bring data to life on the web. By the end of this course, you will understand how to use GIS science and web technologies to create web-based mapping applications, develop proficiency in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for interactive maps, evaluate spatial data visualization techniques for effective geographic communication, apply technical and theoretical skills in spatial data analysis and presentation, explore and understand emerging technologies like real-time data mapping, VR, and crowdsourced geographic information. These skills will support your ability to work on real-world web mapping projects and communicate complex spatial information effectively. Your grade will be based on three components: participation, web-based exercise, finer group project. For the participation, you're expected to engage in weekly discussion board and web-based exercise. These are bi-weekly, hands-on assignment focused on using mapping tools and writing code. Finer group project. These include a proposal, group website, project report, and finer video presentation. You will work in teams to design and publish an original web map using the tools you've learned. Now let's look at more closely at the web-based exercises. These five web exercises are designed to help you explore a variety of web mapping tools. The goal is to build your skills progressively so that by the time you start your final group project, you'll be ready to create a fully functional and engaging web map using everything you've learned. We will begin with exercise 1, which introduced ArcGIS Online and StoryMaps, cloud-based platforms that help you tell rich, interactive spatial stories. Exercise 2 focuses on core web development using HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. These skills are key to understanding how custom web maps are structured and styled. In exercise 3, we will work with Leaflet, a lightweight JavaScript library for interactive mapping. You will also learn to publish your map using GitHub pages. Exercise 4 dives into ArcGIS Insight, where you will use dashboard and chart to visualize spatial patterns and relationships in your data. Finally, Exercise 5 introduced tools like Mapbox, Carto, and Kepler.gl, platforms that support advanced design features, big data display, and even 3D visualization. You will complete a total of 5 web exercises, each running over roughly 2 weeks. Then, in the last 4 weeks of the semester, we will shift our focus to the group project, where you will apply these skills to design and build a full web mapping site as a team.